With our header created, the next item we want to create is the callout bar that contains our website name and also phone number where you can reach. This entire section is contained within a table as well, and the text within items are contained in a nested table with 2 columns. So let's go ahead and get started. We need to our first table. So we created another table. So just like the first table, I have given in this table the width is 100%. So it's expand and contract with the web browser. A height of 150 pixels. Border is 0. Cell spacing and cell padding is 5. And the background color is light gray color, and that's the hexadecimal code for the light gray color. Next, we need to create a table row, and inside this table row we'll create a single table column, and we will align the text inside this column. We will give it a center alignment. So we have our table created. So we save this file and check preview on browser. You can see that the light gray color background in this table has 1 row and 1 column. Inside this column we are going to nest a table that contains our text. So remember that the nested table we have 2 columns. So I have given this table width is 708 pixels, border of 0, cell spacing and cell padding is 1. Next we will create table row. Inside this table row we will need to create 2 columns. One column contain my business website, and the second will contain the call us today and the phone number. So this is the syntax for first column. So the column has width is 338 pixel, alignment is left. We have attached a font attribute, so there's really nothing new going on. We have also added strong tag around my business text, so it gives it that bold look, and create a break, and then the website text, and then we have close of the column. Now we will create the second column which contains the phone number, and it's almost same thing. So its column just a width is slightly different. It's bit smaller this time. The right, as you can see, the alignment is to the right. We have attached a font attribute, the call us today text, bold, and then the phone number. So we save this file. So there it is.